Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today we are going to discuss about soft and hard links. So let's start with the video. So before I start about soft and hard links, we need to know what is inode. So inode is a pointer or number of a file on the hard disk. So basically when we are creating a file, say tiger, say the file name is tiger. So as a human, we know the file name as tiger, but in case of computer or any PC, it will understand the numbers, right? It will not understand any file name such like that. So it will store the file as the number, and we are going to retrieve the file when it is required. It will again retrieve the number to us as a file name. So which is called inode, and which is stored on the hard disk as a pointer or number of a file. So that is all about inode. Then we'll come to the soft link. So soft link is a link that will be removed if the file is removed or renamed. All right. So as examples, so in case of soft link, what is happening? Say we have created a file, and after creating this file, we have created a soft link to that particular file. Now, if I remove the source file which I have created, it will automatically remove the destination file. So that soft link will be removed. So that's all about soft link. Now in case of hard link, what will happen? Deleting, renaming or moving the original file will not affect the hard link. That means if we delete or rename the original file, it will not affect the hard link that will create through that command. So for the hard link, we'll use the command ln, and for the soft link, we'll use the command ln then space minus s. We'll come to the practical very soon. Now to let you understand the concept, I have kept one figure which I have taken from Google. So this is the hard link. You can see the hard link is directly connected to inode, and in case of soft link, it will be connected through a file that will created by me or XYZ whosoever is going to create that. Now in case if I remove this file, suppose I remove this file, then automatically the soft link will be removed because it is linked through that file to the inode. Whereas the hard link, even if I remove this file, it will not affect because it's directly connected to the inode, right? So that's the concept about it. So let's start with the practical now. Now where we are, say pwd, we are in home directory, fine. Now I'm going to create a file, say touch space tiger. All right, tiger. Now I'm going to directory name temp, tmp, right? Now the reason to go inside of this temp directory is because you cannot create soft or hard link within the same directory with the same name. So that is why we need to create links in temp directory. So let's move ahead. Now I can check where we are. We are inside of temp. Now create a soft link ln space minus s, then we need to give home, then is user id and the file name, because the tiger file name is inside the home directory, right? Tiger. So once you have done this, press enter. So it has been created. Now let's verify whatever we have created. So ls minus ltr, right? So you can see due to this GUI and all, some Linux version is changing the color. So this is the link, you can see. So it has been created as a link. Now also How to judge that or verify that? See, it is L is written over here. So L means link, D means directory, and this dash means file, right? So this is the link we have created, just created. Now what we'll do, we'll write something inside of our file tiger. How will I write that? Now we'll go back to our home directory by writing cd, then check vlft, we're in our home directory, then do ls minus ltr. So this is our file directories and everything. What we'll do, we'll write something inside of the file tiger. So for that we'll use the command echo, then space, double quote, tiger is our national animal, say like that, something like that. And then the scope, then greater than which file I want to write inside of it. It's a tiger, file name is tiger, right? Press enter. Now how to check whether it's written correctly or not? For that we'll use cat command, cat space tiger, check it. Yes, it is written inside of it. Now let's go inside of the temp directory, right? cd, then temp, and then check where are we, then do ls minus ltr, then do one thing, we'll do cat space tiger to check. Yes, the same thing has been written inside the file that is inside the temp directory, right? Tiger is our rational animal, this is the link, and this is our original file, so both are same. Come back to your home directory and check, type ls minus ltr, files and directories we have. Now to find the inode, what we'll do like ls minus ltr I. I represents the inode, this one, right? Press enter. So we'll get some number here. You can see this is a number for the file tiger. This is the inode actually. Now we'll go inside our temp once more and now do ls minus ltr over here. Now if I do ls minus ltr I and then tiger here, we'll find the inode number over here, right? Now check again from our let's check whether the original file has a different inode or not. So for that we'll use the command ls minus ltr I, then space, the location, home, is, then tiger, right? So it has different inode, right? You can see this one and this one is different, right? Now let's move to our home directory, then do ls minus ltr and we'll remove the file tiger. Now it has been removed, right? Check from here first. All tiger is gone from our home directory. Now let's move to the temp. Check whether it's there or not. tmp ls minus ltr. Now you can see it is there, link is there, but it has actually been changed the color. It was blue, now it is red. Let's check whether the file content is there or not. So for that we'll do cat space, then file name, right? That is tiger. See, no such file or directory. That means this has been removed because we have removed the original file as it was a soft link. Now because the source file has been gone, so the link is already been not working. So we'll remove the link now. So do rm space tiger and verify. Yes, it is removed now from the tab. Now to double check, you can do this responder ltr tiger. See, it is gone. Now go to our home directory, then let's clear the screen where we are. We are in our home directory. Now do ls minus ltr over here. We'll get all the directories and files over here. Now we'll create the same file once again using touch space tiger, and we'll write something inside of the file. Say echo space tiger is our national animal, right? Inside of which file? Tiger. Tiger. Remember, it's a case sensitive, so that's the reason I have changed it to small t. Now check whether it has been written correctly or not. Say tiger is there, right? Now to create the hard link, what we'll do like go to temp directory once again with tmp, then create hard link, which is command is ln. If we use -s, it will be soft link. We are going to use for hard link. So ln space, then home, then as, then tiger. Now check ls minus ltr. See, tiger is there, right? Here. So if you can see over here, there is no pointing, right? For the file, it is pointing. Previously, what we have done, it was for soft link, it was pointing to somewhere. But because it's a hard link, there is no such pointer over here. Now check whether the content is same or not. Cat space tiger. So content is same, that means the same file. Now let's go to the home directory. Now we'll add something else to the file tiger. For that we'll use again echo command, echo space, say 1234 to the file name double greater than sign, then tiger. Check cat space file name tiger. Yes, 1234 is there. Now let's go to the temp whether it's there in the same file. We'll check that. Temp do ls minus ltr. Now check the content over here as well. Cat space tiger, right? See 1234. That means when I change that original source file, the change will happen directly over here also. Now let's go back to the home directory once more and let's remove the file now. Rm space tiger. I'm removing it. ls minus ltr. It's been removed. Now go to temp and to ls minus ltr So now let's check the content of that file. Cat space tiger. It's still there. That means what? Even if you have removed the source file, the destination is not been changed. Why? Because it's a hard link, right? So that's the basic difference between hard link and soft link, folks. So that's all for today, folks. We'll meet with you soon with another video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much.